Happy morning, guys. Now today we are going to discuss about some problems. Most of the students are asking, sir, yesterday test problems we are not understanding, and this doing is very difficult to do. Okay, so for them only, I'm explaining that questions and some other questions. Here NCERT problems and MCQ problems combinedly I am taking. Combinedly I am discussing in this topic. Okay. Now let's go to the problems. The first problem is yesterday's test. Whatever questions I given, that all questions I am explaining today. Okay. See, problem number 1. NCERT problem. First problem. Calculate the stability constant of complex ZnNH3 plus 2 formed reaction Zn plus 2 plus 4NH3 gives rise to ZnNH3 plus 2. Okay, Zn volt they given and zinc plus ammonia combinedly they given. Okay, see, in given that Zn plus 2 is become Zn. Zn plus 2 is become Zn. See, so how it is going on here? First of all, answer, zinc plus 2 is gaining electrons. How many electrons? 2 electrons. 2 electrons gaining and it becomes zinc. Okay. See, why I am taking zinc here? Because of this compound plus 2 symbol is there. This is neutral charge plus 2. Okay. See, Zn is become Zn. That E naught cell they given is minus 0.76. Okay, minus 0.76. Now, how can we write this one? How can we write this reaction? Zn is Zn NH3 4 plus 2 is gaining 2 electrons. It's gaining 2 electrons. It is forming equilibrium. It is a equilibrium. Zn plus 4NH3. How much they given? It is minus 1.03 they given. Okay? Minus 1.03 volt they given. In the overall reaction, I have to write like this. Zn plus 2 taking 2 electrons, equilibrium Zn is E naught minus 0.76 and Zn plus 4 NH3 equilibrium gives Zn NH3 4 close the bracket plus 2 plus releasing 2 electrons. See here we are showing as a gaining, so negative, it is releasing, so it is positive 1.03. Got it? It is releasing, it is gaining. So releasing means what? Oxidation. So oxidation where is going on? At anode. Okay. Now here what? Gaining the electron. Reduction where is going on? At cathode. Okay. By adding we get, see, in this question now oxidation at anode, reduction at cathode. See, one formula is there. E cell equal to E naught cell equal to anode plus cathode. You know this formula? Just apply this formula. Okay. See, now first anode, this one you take. Now E naught cell equal to Anode is how much? 1.03 plus, and minus cathode is minus 0.7, so plus into minus minus 0.76. So finally E naught cell will come, it is 0.27 volt. 27 volt. Got it? Now E naught cell equals to 0.0591 by n log k. Log k. Now log k equals to it is 0.27, whatever we are getting, 0.27 into n equals to how many? 2 electrons by 0.059. Sorry, this is the formula, this is the stability constant formula. Stability constant formula. Okay, now finally we are getting log k is 9.1371. Now log is shifting. Now k equals to anti-log 9.1371 equals to, the stability constant is 1.3 into 10 to the power of 9. This is the stability constant of reaction. Got it? Calculate the stability reaction. That is the formula. E cell equals to 0.0591 by n log k. Got it? Now problem number 2. Problem number it is calculate the standard electrode potential SEP, standard electrode potential of Cu plus Cu off cell. Okay, next problem. Calculate the standard electrode potential of Cu plus and Cu off cell, given that standard reduction potential of Cu plus to Cu and Cu plus to Cu are 0.337 volt and 0.153 volt respectively. Okay, so here two they given amma. What they given? 2 E naughts they given. So now let's take equation number 1. Cu plus 2 is gaining 2 electrons, it becomes Cu. And Cu plus 1 is gaining 1 electron, it becomes Cu plus 2, Cu plus 2 is gaining 1 electron, it becomes Cu plus 1. Okay, this only telling 2. Now first one E naught is what? It is 0.337 and this one E naught is 0.153. Okay, now delta G 1, first one you do it. Number of electrons equal to minus 2 into F into 0.337 volt, and delta G2 equals to 1 electron Faraday into 0.153 volt. Okay, so that volt we are converted into joule. Okay, see here, what is he asking? What is our aim? The aim is Cu plus gaining 1 electron, it becomes Cu. That means that is delta G3 is what? See, Cu2, see, this is Cu2, 2 electrons gaining and 1 electron gaining. Now our one is Cu plus onwards 1 electron, our aim. Okay, G3 we want. So simply do G3 equals to delta G1 minus delta G2. Okay, so delta Z3 naught minus 0.674 minus 0.153. Six and 3, 1 minus 3. Okay, delta G we are taking here. What it is? With including Faraday. Faraday we are not taking there. Here we are not taking. Okay, this into this 2 only we are taking here, and this one as usual we are taking. Faraday we are not taking, as usually we are taking. Now how much coming? Delta Z3 naught equals to minus 0.521 Faraday. Faradays are coming. Okay, this many Faradays are coming. Next what we have to do? It is minus NFE naught cell equals to how much? Minus 0.521 F we are finding. Okay, got it? See, this means what? So delta G equals to this one. So this one equal to G and F we are getting. So now just E naught cell equals to this NF is going downside, FF will cancel and number of electrons will cancel that one. Okay, E cell equal to minus 0.521 F by NF. FF cancel. N how many? 1 electron. 1 also will. Now E naught cell equals to how much? It is 0.521 volt. In volt we have to take. In volt we have to take that one. This is the second answer. Here N equals to 1. Remember that. Got it? This is delta G3 equals to this value. This NFE value. Delta G also, NFE also, right? So NFE, that E naught cell is coming downside. We have to do like this problem. Siddharth asking this kind of problem only. For Fe3, what is the problem that? Okay. Now, problem number 3. I will write online only. The EMF of a cell corresponding to the reaction Zn plus 2H plus gives rise to Zn plus 2 0.1 m plus H2 1 atm is 0.28 volt at 25 degrees Celsius. Write the half cell reaction. Write the half cell reaction and calculate the pH of solution. Write half cell reaction and calculate pH with hydrogen electrode. Okay, with the solution of hydrogen electrode, that already everything remaining already we know. Okay, now first Zn gives rise to Zn plus 2 electron releasing means what? Oxidation of cell. Now hydrogen water 2H plus gives rise to gaining 2 electrons and H2. It is reduction of cell, reduction of reaction. Okay, now E cathode minus anode equals to cathode minus anode 0 minus 0.76 become 0.76 volt E cell. Till here we know. Nernst equation E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by 2 log Zn plus 2 by H plus product by reactant H2 square. Now E cell equal to 0.28. E cell already know. E naught cell was 0.76. Standard one 0.76. Minus 0.0591 already we know. And 2 also we know. Log also Zn already they given 0.1. And H plus only 2 times they are not given. Okay. How can we write this? It is 0.28, 0.76 minus 0.0591 by 2 log 0.1 minus 2 log H plus. This is the way of writing. Logarithm we have to write like this. Log 0.1 minus 2 log. 2 is coming front 2 log H plus. Okay. Now here pH means what? Minus log H plus. See log H plus. Minus also there. Minus log H plus. Okay. Now let's do. After doing calculation, 0.76 minus this one and this value is coming inside everything after. It is minus 0.02955 minus log 0.1 value minus 1 plus 2. This value we are taking as a pH. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Next step, 0.76 minus 0.02955 minus 0.0591 pH. Okay. Now let's go to the remaining, that is pH equals to 0.5095 by 0.0591 equals to 8.62. So finally pH is 8.62. Calculation pH also very important. Calculation pH also very important. Now question number 4. Question number 4. This is a electrolysis problem. A current of 1.70 A passed through 300 ml of 0.160 m solution ZnSO4 for 230 seconds. With a current efficiency of 90%, find the m of Zn plus 2 after the deposition of zinc. Assume that volume of solution remain constant during electrolysis. Okay. See, first of all, quantity of electricity we have to find out. So Q equals to quantity of electricity equals to C into T. 1 point current into seconds. How much? 230 C equals to 391 C coulombs. This is C into T. Okay. So coulombs, quantity of electricity. Quantity of electricity is not coulombs, current amma. Okay, sorry. Okay. C, 90% of efficiency. 90% of efficiency. 90% of efficiency. Now effective charge. Effective charge, it is 90% by 100 into 391 equals to how much? 351 C. Now successfully final one. Got it. Now let's take the Zn is gaining 2 electrons. It becomes Zn. Okay. Zn gaining the 2 electrons, it is Zn. Now how many electrons? 2 into 96500. 2 into how many coulombs? 96500 coulombs of deposited equals to 1 mole. Okay. First of all, the thing is 1 minute amma. Be in the line. Okay, do the problem. If it will come, just do it. Now after completing, just watch the video. Yeah, it is 2 into 96500, 1 mole of, okay, this many coulombs equal to this 1 mole. This many coulombs equal to 1 mole. Sorry for the late. Okay, just 1 minute. Next, 2 into this only 1 mole, right? Now 391 coulombs of Zn plus 2 gives how many? Okay, 1 into 351, sorry, 351. 1 into 351 by 2 into 96500. Yeah, got it. This is how many moles? It's 0.0018 mole. Got it? So For 2 electron only 1 mole. For this many coulombs, how many moles? Now, one more question. Zn ions present originally 300 ml of 0.1 m ZnSO4. This is calculation of molarity. Okay, calculate the moles. What is it telling? 300 ml of 0.160 m ZnSO4 equals to 0.160 into 300 by 1000. How many moles this is? This is 0.048 moles. 0.048 moles. 0.048 moles. Okay. Now 300 ml of solution after decomposition, it is amount, I will write the amount of Zn plus 2, the amount of Zn plus 2 in 300 ml of solution after decomposition of Zn is 0.048 minus 0.0018. How much? That is 0.0462 mole. Okay, 0.0462 mole. Now calculate the molarity. Calculate the molarity of Zn is given mole 0.0 number of mole 0.0462 by in 300 ml given solution, okay, into 1000. How much? 0.154 m. m. Okay. Next. Actually, in the test I am not given this question, but I am explaining here. Now problem number 5. Find the solubility product. Find SP solubility product of Ag2CrO4 in water at 298 K if the EMF of the cell Ag plus saturated Ag2 CrO4 solution double line salt bridge Ag plus 0.1 m and Ag is 0.164 volt. 0.164 volt at 298 K. This is the question. Find solubility product SP Ag2CrO4 in H2O at 298 K if the EMF of the cell Ag plus saturated Ag2CrO4 solution salt bridge Ag plus 0.1 m, okay, Ag is 0.164 volt. Got it? Now first of all, what we have to find out? The cell AG C1 they given, C1 they are not given, C2 they given. Okay, so the cell is AG plus C1 double line AG plus and 0.1 m AG. See, one concentration they given, one more concentration they are not given. Solubility product we have to find out. So first E cell equals to 0.0591 by 2. Here AG 1 only. Here AG only 1 will come. Remaining all are. So log C2 by C1 how much they given? C2 C1. Okay. So C2 they given. So E cell is how much? 0.164. In the question only they given 0.164 equals to 0.0591 by 1 log C2 is how much? 0.1 by C1. C1 we don't know. This is the for concentration finding purpose. Okay. Now after doing this problem, everything step last I am writing C1 equals to 1.679. That already you know how to do. Into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, what you have to do? Calculation after log 0.1 minus log C1. C1 equal to log anti-logarithm after applying everything it will come. Okay. So now let's go to the AG plus in saturated AG solution is AG plus in saturated AG to CrO4 is 1.679 into 10 to the power of 4m. The given data. Now that reaction Ag to CrO4 gives rise to, this is the equilibrium reaction, 2Ag plus CrO4 2 minus. Okay. So Ag plus value they given. Ag plus value they given. So Ag plus value they given 1.679 into 10 to the power of minus 4m. Okay. But CrO4 2 minus value what? Ag plus by 2. So 1.679 into 10 to the power of minus 4 by 2. Cr2O7. So KSP formula what? Solubility product. KSP formula. The KSP solubility product, the number of cations plus number of cations into number of anions. Okay. So Ag plus 2, close the bracket, 2 square. Okay, because of CrO4 2 minus 2, close the bracket. I'll take in a fresh page. So KSP equals to Ag plus CrO4 minus. So take 1.679 into 10 to the power of minus 4 square, because of 2Ag, right? Yeah, 2Ag, that's why into. Now 1.679 into 10 to the power of minus 4 by 2. The KSP equals 2.37 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Now this is the final conclusion. But KSP gurinchi, about KSP I have to tell something. This KSP means a salt. You take any one salt. What are the positive, what are the negative? This is in equilibrium chapter we completed this solubility product. Okay, in previously also, these previous classes also we discussed about this. Now salt is definitely cation and plus anion both will come. So cation into anion both we have to take, that is called KSP. Okay, this is the one kind of reaction. Now next, sixth question. SL AG plus AG plus salt bridge Cu plus Cu initially contains 1m Ag plus and 1m Cu plus 2 ions. Calculate the change in cell potential after passage of 9.65 angstroms current 1 hour. Okay, so quantity equals to current in 9.65 into hour 60 minutes 60 seconds equals to 34740C. Okay, see here Ag plus ion deposited 34740 by 96500 equals to how much? How many number of moles? Given mass by molar mass. See this, given moles by given molecular moles. See here moles why we are taking, because of for this man Ag how much deposited we are taking. So what will come? 0.36 mole coming. 0.36 mole coming. Now same Cu plus 2, how much coming? It is 34740 by 2 into 96500. Okay, so 2 number of electrons, that's why this 0.18 mole. So that is 36, this is 18. So Ag plus left 1 molar minus 0.36 and Cu plus 2 left 1 molar minus 0.18. So finally 0.64 m final molar, and this is 0.82 molar. Okay, why we are taking 2 here 2, why we are taking? Cu is gaining 2 electrons. Now the cell reaction is Cu plus 2 Ag plus gives rise to Cu plus 2 Ag. So here to here what is going on here? Cu to Cu plus 2, it is losing. Losing means what? Oxidation. And one more thing, this is a product, this is a reactant. So according to Nernst equation, E delta E equals to E naught cell minus E cell equals to 0.0591 by 2 log product. What product? Cu plus 2 by Ag plus. Got it? So take the concentration 0.0591 by 2 log. How much coming on concentrations? Cu is 0.82 and 0.64 square. Now finally the E is delta E is 8.89 into 10 to the power of minus 3 volt. Got it? And last problem for test onwards. Now seventh problem. Two students use same stock solution okay, two solutions of ZnSO4. Two students use same stock solution ZnSO4 and a solution CuSO4. Try to understand the question carefully. Two students, they are using same stock, but ZnSO4 one student and one more solution is CuSO4. The EMF of one cell is higher than other. The EMF of one cell is higher than the EMF of one cell is 0.03 volt higher than the other. Okay, CuSO4 EMF of one cell is higher than 0.03 volt higher than other. The concentration of Cu cell higher than the concentration of CuSO4 in the cell with higher EMF value is 0.5 m. Find out the concentration of CuSO4. Find out concentration of CuSO4 in the other cell. The bracket 2.303 RT by F is 0.06. This is the question. The two students are using same stock solution ZnSO4 and CuSO4. The EMF of one cell is 0.03 volt higher than the other. Okay, the concentration of CuSO4 cell is higher than EMF value is 0.5 m. Find the concentration of CuSO4. Okay, so concentration we have to find out. What concentration? Cu concentration we have to find out. Where? See, first of all, Zn plus 2 double line, Cu plus 2, concentration we don't know, then Cu, EMF is E1, EMF of E1, Zn plus 2 is Cu plus 2 0.5, then Cu equals to E2. See, according to our question, we are representations two. One is higher volt they are telling, and one is concentration is higher they are telling. Okay. See here, we concentration we don't know, but here we know concentration 0.5. Okay. Now Zn plus Cu plus 2 is coming to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. This everybody know. So E1 minus E2, E1 equals to E0, E1 equals to E0 minus 2.303 RT by 2F log, first one I am writing, concentration by Cu plus 2. Now for E2 I am writing E0 is 2.303 RT by 2F log concentration by the given, right? Yeah, 0.5 they given. Concentration. For both I wrote. For first cell representation, second cell representation, first one and second one. Now E1 minus E2 minus E1. E2 minus E1 equals to 2.303 RT 2F. Now log C by Cu plus 2 minus log C by 0.5. Both I am applying in one, equals to 0.03. Okay. So E2 minus E1 equals to 0.203. Both formulas I applied in one. Now 2.303 RT by F value how much they given? 0.6 they given. So this full value they taken 0.06 by 2. Okay. So 0.062 log this one concentration will if you are doing log 0.5 by Cu plus 2. Got it? Understood? It is equal to 0.03. Now this is delta E. Okay. This is later continuation. This is 0.03. Now here next what we have to do? Log 0.05 by Cu plus 2 equals to 1 will come. How? They given like this. Try to understand. Equal to log 0.5 by Cu plus 2 is equals to 1. Okay. Then R, this is R symbol or R equals to the given 0.5 by Cu plus 2 equals to 10. log 1 they are cancelled, they are doing that game. Okay, it is equals to now or cu plus 2 equals to 0.5, 10 is coming here, 0.5 by 10 equals to 0.05 m. Okay, this is the problem 7. I think these 3 problems are enough. These 7 problems are enough because of, I think here only I think you a lot of confusions are there. Okay, just you practice these 7 problems. Okay, this is higher thinking power problems and JEE NEET problems also, JEE advanced also. Okay, practice well.